Regression is a functional relationship between two or more correlated variables. Linear regression is a special case of regression when relationship between variables form a straight line. We call the trend line. Linear regression equation is like y equals a plus b times t, where a is the y-intercept, b is the slope of the line. Instead of going through this complex process of using this formula, I would like to introduce the simple way of calculating linear regression. If you use the XL function of y-intercept and slope of the line, then you can find very easily and form the linear regression equation. Let's begin with this simple example. A firm sales for product line during the 12 quarters of the past 3 years are as follows. So we are given 12 quarters data, and then this is the sales demand data. The firm wants to forecast each quarter of the fourth year. That is the quarter 13, 14, 15, and 16. Using this sales demand data, we want to forecast the period 13 through 16. Instead of going through this, complex process, I would use the Excel function of A and B. Start with B, which is the slope of the line. Simply you can put the equal sign and then slope function. And it shows the known y's, comma, known x. Known y simply means the y variables, which is the sales demand data. And known y's simply means the x variable, in this case time variable. So you select the y variable, which is the demand data, comma, select the time variable. Then slope is given 359.62. A, which is the y-intercept, you can do the same. Intercept, known y's, which is the sales data, comma, known x, which is the time variable. Which is given 441.67. Using these two, we can form a regression equation. Y equals 441.67 plus 359.62 times t. As you see, each plot of the sales data can form the trend line. This we call linear regression. Now, y-intercept equals 441.67 and slope of the line equals 359.62. Using these two data, we forecast the period 13 through 16. So this is our linear regression equation. So equals 441 plus 359 times our time variable here is the 13. And I would like to fix these cells by adding the dollar sign. adding the dollar sign between these alphabets. That way you can fix this cell, so this cell doesn't change. We use the same number when we allow this other cells will change, which is the time variable will be changing. This value doesn't change. Then click copy this formula. Then you see that this value doesn't change while this time variable is changing. But anyway, this is your forecasting value, which is your answer. That's it. Thank you.